Guys, this is what happens when you get out with Team Zombie. Weather conditions, it's got a pretty good breeze tonight. Cold, 28 degrees, snow on the ground.
Dirty 30 right here.
Oh, Davin, dirty 30, turning 30 years old.
Good 30 birthday.
But he's performing wifely duties now. Check it out.
Let me call you back later, okay? All right. Love you, bye.
Let's kill some dogs.
Let's go kill some dogs. Welcome.
477.
Oh man, that was freaking awesome right there. Woo! Welcome to Indiana, brother.
Back home again.
This is Apocalypse.
We're just getting started. We ain't done yet.
That's right. You boys want to learn how to kill coyotes? Stay tuned, we're finna show you, son. Ha ha!
Alright guys, here it is. It's February the 12th. Met up with my old buddy Davin again. We're going to go out and give it a whirl tonight. Weather conditions, it's got a pretty good breeze tonight. Cold, 28 degrees, snow on the ground. The area he's taking us to, they got about what, 5-6 inches up there?
Oh yeah.
So, coyotes has got to be getting hungry. We're in the breeding season. They ought to be fighting. They ought to be moving. Haven't had no luck. I went out by myself earlier, did an 1.5-hour stand during the daylight. Didn't see nothing, didn't hear nothing, called in a bunch of crows, and that was it. Anyways, just picked Davin up. We're fixing to head out to the field and see if we can get it done. Anything you want to say?
Let's kill some dogs.
Let's go kill some dogs.
Backdoor Dave's in a new spot. Same old call. Lucky Duck Revolt. He's going to go through a bunch of scenarios on the call before he has any success on this hunt. Howls, distress, fights. It's not only till he breaks out the secret weapon that he's going to see anything. Ladies and gentlemen, hellhounds.
They stopped. They're coming on.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Got both of them, son. Hold that fucking double. Yeah, dude. Boom. Yeah.
Well, guys, got out on set number one, played a little bit of distress. I just told Davin, I'm like, man, this spot had me fooled. We're in a new spot, a place we never hunted. And I looked at my call and we was on stand 13 minutes and told him, man, this place had me fooled. I figured within 8 to 10 minutes we would get a double. And no sooner I said that, turn the old lucky duck on hellhounds. I turned around and said, we got 2 coming in hot. And what I say it was when we first got here, I ranged at 489 yards.
400, almost 500 yards.
And we got them in. They're probably about 150 to 200 yards out. Me and Davin did 1, 2, 3, nailed both of them. Mine took off running. I had to shoot it again. Eventually, we had to shoot Davin's again, but we got both of them, man. We got a double
We
down.
got them both down, man.
Yeah.
They're both down. Yeah, it all happened so quick.
It did.
I mean, it was in seconds. I know I looked through my scope at one point, and they was still quite a ways out. And then I looked. I took my glove off. I just had to drop my glove on the ground, and I looked through my scope again, and they was there. I mean, like within 100, 150 yards.
30 seconds is all it takes
Yeah.
for them to get across the field. They were coming in hot. Well, we're gonna go out here and get these. We'll turn the camera back on when we get out of here. Keith, you should have came. One up on coyote number 1. This one's mine. Bigger, older coyote too. He wasn't going nowhere on that last shot.
Coyote number 1.
And I'd be willing to bet you it's a female. Trying not to get all his blood because she ain't got no fur on her back. It is breeding season. Look at the fur's gone off her back. No, it is a male.
Male, young male.
Fighting, ain't a young male.
You don't think he's young?
Here. The guys thought we had a female, but there's that thing in the head running. Thought we had a female, but got a pretty good sized male.
That's a good one.
It's a real good male. I don't know where I hit him at the first shot.
I don't know.
That's why he dropped hard at last shot. Now we'll get some coyote cord hooked up. We'll go get the other one. We got a long ass drag.
Yes, sir. Turn your light off, David. Dog number 1.
Yours has probably got 10 holes.
Yeah, he's probably got a few in him. Backdoor Dave did it again.
Coyote number 2. Get a little video of Davin in a minute, but he's performing wifely duties now. Check it out.
Let me call you back, baby, okay? All right. Love you, bye.
Had to do the wifey duties before he got up to his first coyote of the night. You gotta take care of the women.
He's got a dark coat on.
Yeah, he's very pretty. I'm waiting to see if that one's a female, with this one being a male. That last shot hurt a heck of a thump. So. There's why she kept going down, hit her in the butt.
Yeah.
It is a big old female. Pick her up and hold her. She's pretty.
Yep. She's a pretty one.
Davin, we've been coyote hunting together 2 years and we finally put us a double down,
Yes,
man.
sir. Yeah, she's a good one.
Guys, when we got to this spot, Davin was showing it to me on the hunting map. I was pretty excited. I said, man, we're gonna get a double here. Sure enough, we did. This is our first set of the night. What is tonight? Today the 13th?
Today's the 13th.
No, today's the 12th. It's Friday, February 12th, Valentine's weekend.
Dirty 30 right here.
Oh, Davin, dirty 30, turning 30 years old.
Good 30 birthday.
Hey, happy birthday.
Thanks, buddy.
We got 8 more to kill tonight.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna cut this video, start dragging them back to the truck. We got a long walk. I mean, we're 200 yards from the gun and 500 or 600 yards to the truck, more than that. It was a pretty good walk out here, but it's worth it. Paid off. Guys, we'll get at you in a bit.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Got both of them, son. Oh, that fucking double. Yeah, dude. Boom! Yeah.